Hi guys, so I'm back with another unboxing video. I have quite a few coming up in the next few days. Bear with me please, I've just been backed up and so I'm trying to get these videos filmed while the weather is, the sun is going down. It's not that good. It rained heavily. The thunder scared the crap out of Mateo, but we're getting to work. I have my trusty knife. I didn't need it in the last one, but I'll need it in this one. But I'm so excited for this one because, oh, you just have to see. You have to see to believe. Oh God, I hope I don't go too far with the knife so I don't damage the beauty that's waiting for me in here. Am I opening from the wrong side? I think I'm opening from the butt, but since we're there, I might as well keep going. Okay, all done. This, I don't need scissors. This works. I need a box cutter. I need to get a box cutter. I hope I don't slide into this knife because that'll make this go viral. But I just ripped up this. I guess I should have showed you box stuff, but I opened it from the underneath by mistake. My bad. But I'm so excited. When I see bubble wrap like this, it makes me just want to cry with excitement. That is, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna, oh my God, I feel it. Sorry. So when this package came, it was pouring down rain, and my neighbor actually signed for, oh my God, for this package. My neighbor signed for this package. And I was like, what if our neighbor was shady? Y'all don't know, UPS people. This is expensive-ish. You can't be leaving it with anybody. What? He left us a note saying he left it at the neighbor's house, and we're like, oh, thank God it's that neighbor. If it was any other neighbor that we don't know, I would have been like scared. I would have gone out in the rain and be like, can I have my baggage, please? I'm so excited. Oh my God. Sorry, I just cursed. Oh my God, I've never, you guys, I have never seen in real life or touched anything Dior. Oh my God, anything Dior, you guys. You see, oh my God, this is gonna be the most obnoxious video ever. I've never touched a Dior item, let alone, do you hear Mateo, let alone own it. Oh my God, stop it. I am calling God's name into vain. God, forgive me. Give me a minute, give me a minute. Okay. So I just opened this package. I didn't even care. Wrapping paper, who cares? This bag right here is a beauty. I don't know why I'm even wrapping this because all I want to do is hug this. I love it. I'm like crying, I'm sorry. There's like water in my eyes. So I think I've told you guys about a little site I'd like to call Trendly.com. Well, Trendly.com is no more. Really, let me put it this way. Trendly.com was there so you could buy pre-owned luxury bags. Rebag.com was there so that you could sell it to them, so you could sell luxury bags to the company. And so they were like sister companies in my mind. I don't really know the background of these two companies, but they linked to each other. If you wanted to sell, you went to Rebag. If you wanted to buy, you went to Trendly. Now there's Rebag.com. So I actually just went to get my phone because I didn't want to tell you the wrong thing. But I have the app because I'm obsessed. I have it on my office computer as a favorite. I'm just, oh my gosh. Anyway, so Rebag.com actually buys and sells bags. This is what the app looks like. It's yellow. And I don't know if you can see all that. But anyway, it just, usually, they're doing one right now. Usually they have a lot of codes and deals. So I love them because you can usually count on about 10% off your item. And they're already selling these items at like the best prices I can find, first of all. Then you get an additional discount, plus shipping is like 20 bucks. So like, why am I not, well, of course I'm shopping here. I can't speak English anymore. I'm so overwhelmed. Let me just hug this bag while I talk to you. So Rebag.com is a really great way for you to buy luxury items that have been used previously, but you get to get them at discounted rates. And most importantly, you get the peace of mind, absolute peace of mind, that you're buying something authentic. Because there's so many places to buy pre-loved things in consignment stores and things like that, but my heart is just always racing when I buy from other places and I have to ask the seller 50,000 questions because I just don't know 100%. It's always like 99%, but I never know 100% that what I have is authentic. But Rebag actually sends you like an authenticity card. They use a company, I believe that, you know, actually I don't know if this has changed, but when it was Trendly, they had a company where they would submit all the pictures of the items to, and the company would authenticate it. Now they might actually have people on staff doing the authenticating in person, but I know most companies, I think they use pictures and they get like an actual authenticity card or like note or email or letter telling you your item is authentic. If it's not, come back to them and they will give you your money back. But Rebag, oh my god, I was combing the website and I was just, you gotta snag it, you know, like I put a few things in my cart. I was waiting for payday. I was like, yes, payday is coming, payday is coming. I put this bag in there. It was a Louis Vuitton no, it wasn't a Neo Noe, but it was a Noe Epi. It was red, it was beautiful. I put it in my cart. I was watching it for a week. I was just keeping an eye on it. I was refreshing. I had it on my phone, I had it on my house computer, I had it on my work computer. And one day I went to work and I was talking to my coworkers and we were just talking, you know, chit-chatting. Hey, how's your morning? What'd you get for breakfast? And I hit refresh and that bag said sold out. And I shed a tear, you guys. The men on my job, I sit in a cubicle area with men and they were like, Tobi, are you crying? I was like, excuse me. I was crying, you guys, at work because my bag was gone 2 days before payday. The actual heck. The next day another one came back. It was black and I was like, okay, I just need to make it one day. Payday was like literally tomorrow. Guess what, guess what, guess what, somebody took it. I was just like, this is great, this is great. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I saw the same bag that night on another place I get pre-loved items from, but the person was offering such a low price. Everybody, it wasn't just me, everybody was like, bruh, too good to be true. Is it fake? Which is why I come back to Rebag with the whole authenticity thing. Peace of mind. The Louis store here does not authenticate. A lot of people don't authenticate. So my main thing is, how do I know you're not lying to me? There's some really good dupes, y'all. There are some really, really good fakes. And I don't know how to spot them. And I'm not gonna pretend to know how to spot them. So without talking too much, let's get to the bag. So I got the Dior. Oh my gosh, let me show you. All right, so I'm gonna read it off my phone from the order because I don't remember the technical name because I just recognize this and I'll tell you from where. But this is the Christian Dior Lady Dior handbag, Cannage quilt patent, medium. So I got the idea of this bag, the obsession came from Lydia Millen. She's on YouTube, I'll link her below. But she has it in like a pink, like a nudie pink, and it looks so good and classy when she carries it because it goes with everything. And honestly, natural, neutral, it's all good, but I like drama. As you can tell, I like drama. So I wanted red, y'all. I was like, I need something to pop. I want to walk in to wherever I'm going and just be like, I have arrived. Yes, me and my Lady Dior are here to slay. So I got this and I'm just opening it now because I've been talking so much. And it comes, it came in a box. It comes fairly quickly. When it comes to Rebag, I think you can pay for expedited shipping, which comes in 1 to 3 days, or you can pay for regular shipping, which still comes in about 5 days. It really comes, honestly, too soon, especially when you're trying to hide bags from your husband. It's like too soon. And so here, trying to see what all comes in it. Okay, so it's just black. It's really dark in there. I can't even like show you. But honestly, I think the condition is really good. Oh, another thing about Rebag is they describe the conditions of the bag to the T. They take a lot of pictures for you, the top, the bottom, the inside, as much as they can take. They always compare it to a pair of red bottoms, just so you can see in comparison to your shoe what, and I think they tell you the shoe size and everything, what the bag looks like. That way you can imagine, you know, if I carry it, what's going to happen. Some of these Lady Dior's do come with straps. This one does not. And it also didn't come with a dust bag. Usually if it doesn't come with a dust bag, you get the Rebag dust bag. And so Rebag sent this inside. Oh, I love it. See what I was saying? You need this peace of mind. You need it. So this is Rebag, brand Christian Dior. It's the Lady Dior handbag Cannage quilt, patent medium, certified by Rebag. Isn't that beautiful? And it just has their brand in. It says, there we go, buy, sell, Rebag. And of course it just says Rebag here and rebag.com. But the card that comes in it tells you what kind of bag you're getting. It has a picture of it. Let me get it to focus. There we go. Okay, so it comes with that. It has a picture of the bag and it tells you it's certified. Yeah, so this comes in this cute little card and you can keep it for your records. I always keep it for my records. Oh, okay. So it comes in this cute little card, and I think that's brilliant because I like to keep this in the side pocket just because for storage reasons. When I store my bags, I don't want to have all my certifications together and then I don't know which one goes with which bag. It's nice that they have pictures. It helps when you need to sell it because you can prove that, hey, this is certified, it's authentic, you know, it's real. But I just, oh, what do you guys think? It's a good size. You can just put it in the crook of your arm real quick. The reason I'm not getting off the floor is because I do plan to show you a full video of me styling this because it's just so cute. This is annoying. I'm so emotional. I'm trying not to cry. But yeah, so I got this Lady Dior from Rebag. Okay, so this is the listing. Don't know if you can see, and then it has pictures. It looks pinkish on camera, but it's really red. I think it's just the lighting. It's actually red, and it shows you the underneath. I love that it comes with the studs underneath because if I'm placing my bag on any surface, I want to make sure it's not going to ruin this leather. And it shows you in detail. Another really good thing about Rebag, oh, it shows you the inside, which I couldn't show you because the lighting was so weird. But another good thing to know about Rebag is it tells you the estimated retail price, which in this case is $3,400. It tells you the condition. In this case, it's very good. Honey, this is excellent. I don't know what you're talking about, Willis. I don't know. Every time they say very good, I'm like, honey, I'll take it. I'll take it. If it says excellent, I'll really take it. But their idea of very good is super good, especially with the Louis products. They'll tell you if it has a smell, like anything. So let me go on to describe this. So it says very good, scuffs on exterior and handle, indentation on base, wear on base corners and in interior, scratches and discoloration on hardware. Accessories, none. I told you it comes with a strap sometimes or a dust bag. It'll tell you if it comes with something. Measurements, it tells you the handle drop, which is 3.8, the height, which is 8 inches, and the width 9.5, and then the depth is 5 inches. It tells you the designer is Christian Dior. Then it tells you the model. It's Lady Dior handbag, Cannage, Quilt, patent medium. And yeah, and it tells you, okay, so shipping, they have US standard shipping 47 business days is $20, but like I said, it comes faster than that. They have US expedited, which is 1 to 3 business days, which is 55 or below or something like that. Then they have international shipping, which is 6 to 9 business days, and I think that could be about $75. So they tell you everything, and then they tell you about returns. US returns accepted for any reasons, shipping both ways will be charged upon return, all that stuff. But if you're returning it, you know, I don't think I've ever returned anything to them. Yeah, I've sold something back, but I don't think I would ever like, why are we returning stuff? No, just keep it, just do it. But anyway, I guess I just wanted to show you one more time. I know the lighting is a little bright, but they talked about scuffs and scratches, and I just don't really see it. I mean, you can tell it's used, but honestly, like the indentation they're talking about, like I don't get it. Another thing for me is if you're carrying a used handbag or a pre-loved item, the person in the restaurant you're going to meet doesn't know. They think you've had that bag for 5 years. They don't know somebody else had that bag for 5 years. And if anybody has a bag that cost them $3,000, how much did it say? Anybody had a bag that cost them $3,400, trust me, they're taking good care of it. There's no way. And usually they, you know, put them in their bags, they stuff them. I plan to keep these and like stuff the inside. But enough about Rebag, because I'm probably gonna buy more stuff from them and unbox. And you're probably, I mean, hey, I have an addiction problem. I just have to make sure Brandon doesn't find out or watch this video. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna put a link below to this item, to their website, and just kind of, I don't know, check it out. And the best part of all of this is if you use the discount code TOBI, Tobi, you get 5% off your item. So I don't know what you're shopping for, but there are ranges, honey. There are Louis items for $400. They're like, you can, never full. They have never full in abundance. They have Damier Ben. They like what are you looking for? They get it. You know, especially if you're looking for Speedies. My very first luxury purchase actually, I think, was from their website, and it was a Speedy 30, which we found out later was a Speedy 35. But that was it, and it was monogram, and it was beautiful, and I loved it. I honestly, like, I absolutely loved it. And which is why I ended up getting the Speedy again, because I can't do without it. So honestly, if you're gonna get a pre-loved item, why not get it from somebody who's telling you, hey, we had experts check this thing out, it is authentic. That way you get, oh, you know, you skip the guessing game, you don't get played. My SA at the Louis store told me that somebody came into the store almost crying, like devastated, because she had spent $3,000 on a bundle deal. So they had sent her pictures. I don't know where she found these people, but they sent her pictures of a bundle of Louis stuff, maybe like 3 or 4 items of Louis things, and said, hey, pay $3,000, we'll send you all of this right away. She lost the money and got nothing. Not even a box of dust, nothing. She got air. She can't reach them. She doesn't know where they are. She doesn't know where her money went. $3,000 gone. And I think how did they say she sent the money? Oh my god, how did she send the money? Did she mail a check, or she did something crazy with the way she even paid? Like, if you're gonna do something like that, you do PayPal, you don't do family and friends, you do goods, you get that receipt right. You know, you get a third party that knows their stuff. But yeah, I don't know how she did it. Maybe she sent cash. I don't know. I honestly don't know how you send $3,000 with no way of, hey, a middleman or something. So if you don't want to be out all that money or pay all that money only to find out years later you have a fake item, man, get it from somebody you trust. And I trust these guys, so please check them out. It's rebag.com, and the code is Tobi, and it gives you 5% off. But that's it. So watch out for a video of me styling this baby, because Dior, I mean, I love Louis, don't get me wrong, I'm a Louis girl all the way. But Dior can get it. That sounds horrible. But I love this purse. I'm so carrying it to church, and man, I'm gonna stunt. Yes, I all my fashion, like I said, church is my only outing, church and date night. So I get overdressed for a lot of things just because I don't get out too much. And it's summer, so most things I'm doing are like outdoorsy things. So I was the person sitting at the lakeside watching the local ski team ski with my Louis bag while everybody else was in flip-flops. I was like, yeah, I'm in flip-flops, but I'm still carrying my Louis. Like, I'm extra because I don't go out. So it's not me just being show-offy. I legit have nowhere to go. That sounds so sad. But yeah, I'm still crying because I'm so happy. Yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't judge how happy I am, because it's not every day this kind of expensive purchase falls in your lap. So give Rebag a shot, and if you're interested in any designer, I bet you they got it. So yeah, check them out. See you later. Bye.